Here we have the Porsche 911 Targa or Turbo kit. If we flip it around, you can see you can either build the Targa or the Turbo version. It is a 1,458 piece kit, as you can see right there at the bottom. So it is a decently sized kit. That's, you know, the box. Let's get it open and start building it. Whoa! Wow! They fit this in that box? Jeez! Wow! That was in there? Package 1. Package 2. Five, 3, 7, 8 tires. They fit all of that in that. What? I didn't expect it to be like I didn't think all that would just dump out. They got it really packed in there. Jeez. But here's the Porsche Targa Turbo instruction manual. Show the other camera real quick. There's that Targa Turbo Porsche Lego instruction manual. Wow. So I'm going to, you know, get these bags open, sort them out. We're not using 2 yet. Here we go, bag 1. And then the little bag 1. Yay, let's go. Here we go. That's the back of the instructions. Nice little pamphlet, little booklet. You know, tells you some stuff about it. So that's cool. That's nice. I'll read that later. Let's put the box over there. So this is important. 1 through 7 is the main part of it, and then to build the Turbo version, you use bag 8 and 9, and to build the Targa version, you use 8 and 10. I am building the Turbo version, so I will use bags 8 and 9. Okay. This is just going to be a big time lapse from now on until I get to a, you know, a milestone, a marker, and then I will cut it, show you guys. Here is the decision. Here's a big decision in the kit, whether to choose between the Turbo or the Targa. Me personally, I am going with the Turbo because I just think it looks better. It looks cooler. So for the Turbo, you need not 10, bags 8 and 9. So I'm choosing the Turbo version. However, the wheels, you could take the wheels from bag 10 if you think the silver ones look better. But I'm going with the Turbo version. Has a little pamphlet here about it. Here we go. I'm building the Turbo. We are on to the very last part, putting the tires on and putting the number plates on. So, put the tires on. So let's get them on the car. 1, 2, put the little wheel locks on. Flip it around. Three and 4 wheel locks. There we go. Finally, very last thing, the number plates. So there's one, and very last thing. There we go. Final piece, the number plate. There it is, the Porsche 911 Turbo. So now that I'm done building this kit, what do I rate it? I have 4 factors I'm rating it: realism, price, fun. Realism, 8.5 out of 10. You can obviously only get so, realistic and detailed in Lego, because obviously they're blocks and bricks, but it is very realistic. Price per piece, it is 10 cents per piece, 10 American cents per piece, which I think is decent. Fun. Yes, it was fun with 2 exclamations. It was very fun. And the Porsche rating, 10 out of 10 on the Porsche scale. It's a Porsche. Overall, fun kit. Decently priced, I guess, 10 cents per piece, and depending on what you build, you get an extra bag of parts that you can use on other builds. So, it's very fun. It looks like a Porsche 911. Well, because they wouldn't be selling it as a Porsche 911 if it didn't look like it. I give this kit overall a 10 out of 10. Thank you for watching. Do a little roll test.